On the 23rd of January 2026, may the first part of this particular story, Ebra, wow, we may see a piano. Yeah, the link no to comment section, but from that story no, and now I babedu some pempesui. I just said on the 21st of July 2026, Accra High Court the order a buyer. So monko and konkoje Freedom Jacob Caesar and anakwami bidiako a property. I actually D number 1 Oxford Street, and free the same. But now come baby, I could say, hold on. You want one action. I be take Mood win Genesa. I go 624. Mesro. So be a subscribe button so no click a bell notification icon. So now make out say Las Palmas Food Center. As it's all your events, be say a birthday party, say a outdoor, say your engagement, say a wedding, say a year abafi, say a get together, been a more year. Send some more office. And I'm open say yeah, the lunch and as a branch, a bremo. Contact Las Palmas for our numbers and the screen is no. Ubetumi afa and answer what for more and found the budget no and then found the events in the case and answer and then found the location of the event. Las Palmas for a best sort of numbers no. And that screen is no. It was on the 23rd of January 2026, exactly 6 months ago to the time I recorded this particular video. I 23rd of July 2026. And this story be bro about Nana Kwame Bediako friend Freedom Jacob Caesar. Sa Samatono, na Samatuni na no esteme from a partnership on a baby friend Mr. Azad Kola Ekoye to complete a building a CUSU I friend number 1 Oxford Street. Now the backstory no and it said Nana Kwame Bediako and Mr. Azad Kola a collaborate here. Our mayor partners, our company a friend of Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited, right? Now we create our company no. Omo call IFC honomo ekoko J Bosia to complete the building yet to the number 1 Oxford Street no. Ayewo Osu Mountain so no. No omo complete the building we no. Emre kwa nanim no Mr. Azad Kola e dia asema akoko dan UK aban e UK court say ne partner Nana Kwame Bediako eni no endi niye e wo saa partnership no mo koye ni mu na e ka beb da ho e ma che se onu papa no e na wo se okotua ka no na saa be wetua ka na wie into a judgment from UK court no say obetumi akọ no akọ je sika no e di efi Nana Kwame Bediako on person obe sorry efi ni pem akọ je sika no meka cho se Nana Kwame Bediako e fa lawyers e wo UK ho Emma say edu ejie no na lawyers na twem ho afi asem no na say lawyers ni asem no biom na Nana Kwame Bediako e na dise ono nko a ejina asem no mu UK but asem no ko na we ye wo UK ho no na judge o tena asem so wo UK ho no a award judgment no say Mr. Azad Kola a o CEO of Kola Holdings Limited enkonko gini sika enfenfin ne partner Nana Kwame Bediako ho say wa ma Mr. Azad Kola no aboka bosi omoko giye wa AFC no Mr. Azad Kola anko a na etua Enti court ne awarded a judgment of $14.9 million. Emma me catch am say Mr. Azad Kola at the judgment ni free UK. Emma be fa lawyers wo Ghana ha say. Emma mo kopie mu Accra High Court. Emma lawyers no the judgment ne kwa Accra High Court ma Accra High Court agi tu mu. Say samre o betumi a enforce judgment no e wo Ghana ha say. Emma me catch am in that particular report open full explanation link no and a ye pin or comment no me catch am say Nana Kwame Bediako I record the video or chem say hey Mr. Azad Kola isi kai o person be gifi on Nana Kwame Bediako yi on tiase omo ye partners no muko business mo Mr. Azad Kola kroyai o into galamse Mr. Azad Kola kroyai on Nana Kwame Bediako na ko oil business mo oil block no document yi bia kita Mr. Azad Kola no tiase say sambe o ye the person yi but ensi e wo Ghana ha say because Ghana ha emra wa ha ensi
na kosi broni kra no aben inu begya ye nkwaso nsem na nka me de nka me fahin na me podi obi ka 14.9 million sika no odi ma ya na ba Ghana na abeto Bank of Ghana na abeto account na ifri na enti obi anso entimi anhwehwe sika kro na wo ka na chikwan se ifri na beto me na chese muti Nana Kwame Bediako na abaye amaisem se medika awana mkote nika mo hwe adwuma ameye da amesisi se bi se bi ka kro mo kai so bi kra ti kra onim se abofo abon humode enya de a so de ka se ya wontimi ntua nemom enya ne nokre enti na amama eto na mo se meka Na kenya de kwa nka me bie ma no wa asem wem. Nanso se no obi e wo company 50-50. You own this company with a foreigner. And then you both own a debt on the company. How then can one person turn this debt to become my personal debt? And after they hold every single document for the business, which is worth times for the debt, you have already a collateral. And you need to discuss with me because I've also paid debt here. Let's talk like business people. But how did it become Nana Kwame Bediako? Oh, it's a company. Companies owe. Ghana, countries, they owe. The Dangotes, they owe. America, they owe. But not to say that I have a debt that I'm running away from. I don't. I have not been handed any money of such. And I have proof. Media, please. How long would you keep destroying your... I mean, the common sense is there. Where is the judgment? Where is the trace of what so-called money that you say I owe from England judgment? Sure. Mumbra. Ghana too, we have laws. We have judges. We have a judiciary system. And so you cannot own a company and then go and take a judgment against your own company without you telling them the truth that you're 50% owner of the company. Then how did you forge those indemnity documents with my signature? So it's like I have borrowed money from you. I haven't. That's the proof. I haven't. And so callers should come and prove to Ghana that they've given me this money. If there's no proof, who sani paya why you forge documents say judgment debt from your London Eddie Babaji or Ghana hey. Also, what about the fire sassy waha? To move go that say you swear you have no man in a call. So kai say me a campaign no make a tremo say galamze no and ya dear and yet to say ye pe and a ye. There is more to it. And these are some of the things. The same company that is claiming this judgment that I own an oil block with them. Please, maybe some oil block with me shares one. Oh my fa. Now who kwasi broni je so who deep bini ba kokra. Who say kura? Who kura papers for the business worth over 60 million of what you're claiming and you inflated. And yet you still want to come for me and come for every single thing I owe. There you. Yeah, yes, this will not happen in Ghana. There is law in this country. I would dictate my own history and let you remember that there was a man that came and he stood and he fought and he won. My name is Nana Kwame Bediako.
Fast forward to 21st of July 2026. Now Mr. Azad Kola actually say he opese judgment na high court na man no kwan so betumi enforce no. O moving forward. Na okokwa G assets a chese ono Kola ene Nana Kwame Bediako eye partners a omu create ye no, which in this case number 1 Oxford Street no. Na so betumi ayesa ohia obi a obetumi receive assets no e wo Ghana ha sei na wahwe so e di ama no et Mr. Azad Kola appointed Mr. Ni Amano Dodo. Now Mr. Ni Amano Dodo wa wonim ni bia no wa on family for ye adwuma on KPMG for ye adwuma for bebe over 15 years any ade what you say a Unibank case bi kra no now you involved as a witness in the kaka ho you know or you be a finance and accounting industry nima or you done right into no and Mr. Azad Kola through Kola Holdings Limited appointed no so no and obe receiver no as a manager of number 1 Oxford Street Hotel no. Now before so betumi aye no e was say kwa emrem intend Mr. Azad Kola ekokofa lawyer Chachutikata as the lawyer Emma Chess or the application ekokoto Accra High Court enim says amri court no Ghana court ajatum so judgment also enforce judgment no na judgment no opeso proceed no okokwa ji ejapade wi efina na kwa mbedi akọ because sika no onim se ne beba na so ochire na beba no fa ntene ka no What is it? Into the application got 2 courts in the and na kwam bedi akon through Kensington Partners Limited one no and so FI lawyers there's no the lawyers no lawyer Bobby Banson and I said na kwam bedi akon ne firm mu kofa omo as lawyers mbegide mu mo na kwam bedi akon assembly court fa kofa bra no na on the 21st of July Accra High Court commercial division no and the judgment aba so wetie lawyer certificate just ojire Makola Holdings ene Mr. Ni Amano Dodu asem ena wetie na nakwa mbedi akon ene Kensington Residential Partners One Limited enso asem na otie wieye no ne judgment anasa ni order obetumi di aba ne say osre oma warrant sa police for emwa no mo hwe Makola Holdings Limited and any Mr. Ni Amano Dodu enko no mu go take you over number 1 Oxford Street no omonko no mu go take you over in the end the order efi Accra High Court commercial division e baaye no tintin na ne sesamre omo de sa property no ma Mr. Azad Kula na ini po be hwe property no so e wo Ghana ha sei no Mr. Ni Amano Dodu enti a police for encam ho no mun ko take over sa property no de we chire bia no Mr. Ni Amano Dodu Nicola Holdings Limited no omo masem enti sa ruling and efi Accra High Court eba on the 21st of July 2026 na no na kwam bedi akon enso e the response aba e wo media ne so and then 23rd of July 2026 o chemu se hwe we hu de ekos wo social media so nyina eche say Kola Holdings appointee a receiver or in the person of Mr. Ni Amano Dodu omakwa court akwaje court order mbebe take over any ade on be so mo chiensem ba akomienu mo kaka ye bi kan ene se hwe sa hotel yi omo bie ye in the year 2019 but before say ombe bie no kwa na covid aba enti affect omo trading no ama chese na omu ntumi entua bosi omokọ free IFC no eho what I say Kensington Residential Partners One Limited and omu C sa building no na ojitu mu say on na kwa bedi akon ene Mr. Azad Kula and omu ye 2 directors of Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no in the financial constraint bia COVID-19 de ba bia no Mr. Azad Kula eye privy to eno nti no mo ntumi entua IFC bosi ano na emra omuni IFC AD komo se na ebe ya ombe restructure loan na omukoko ye free IFC one Mr. Azad Kola through the Kola Holdings Limited no eba be informing Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no se wetu aka no bosi na omukoko je wetu se na omo ho tira mo enti na omo ntumi tua ba ono kwa de we kotua through Kola Holdings Limited no mekokotia no mukokotia ye no enti no or expect say Kensington Residential Partners One Limited ebetua ne ka because ye ka na omienu ka na so se nya on to meet na oma IFC take action bi anti omunti na wekokotia na as director no Mr. Azad Kola na ke was say or informing company no in this case Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no and sana so betua ka bia wekokotia ba wa anya sa wa informing Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no wa inform you in this case na kwa bedi akopese o kire say Mr. Azad Kola no take action no on his own wambo on na kwa bedi akono amane though omienu ne directors of Kensington Partners One and as a Kensington Residential Partners One Limited no Mr. Azad Kola ambo amane eno no kwa take his action no when say action na Mr. Azad Kola take here no e send e be ya obenya profit e de ama ne ho now so best summary Mr. Azad Kola to be provide evidence bia say ampa IFC bosia no we kokotua let me see wait a minute this part of the press release no it raises a lot of questions doesn't mean say na kwa bedi akopese just say Mr. Azad Kola before so benya judgment in every UK court no ewo documents on file with UK court no when prove sufficiently before the court no say ampa wetua loan na and the ban say na UK court no awarding the judgment. No? And I'm sure say application be that Ghana High Court name in the first place. No? Ghana High Court be go through all the documents are a free UK proceedings near there. Lawyers no be debate or court on. So was there no such evidence in court and a Ghana court so a granted judgment, a approved judgment nana? Then it will raise a lot of questions in the UK justice system as well as the Ghanaian justice system. And it will be more worrying for the justice system here. So what I say? Because nana kwa mbedi akokase o say to date neither Azad Kola nor Kola Holdings Limited has produced any evidence that the IFC loan was in fact repaid. Then how did they award the judgment in the first place? And how did the court in Ghana enforce the judgment? Regardless of this, this evidence any available no. Kola Holdings apply and obtaining an order. Say omo bepe receiver, which in this case omenya receiver no in the person of Mr. Ni Amano Dodu. And the son no and obebe take over. Now order no grantee on the 21st of July 2026. Say the police for be assist Kola Holdings, no we take possession. But omo can say order no ebe take effect after 7 days into 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. 28th whole corner. And order no be take effect because more 7 days window. Say we more objection be and I say be met me aye. It is a period no expire in term obi ankoka. Say na Kola Holdings be take you over Oxford Street number 1 Oxford Street in a day and obi ankasa. Because Oma instruct omo lawyer say omo appeal sa decision no. Sa decision e free high court ba no omo appeal. No omo file application say na be prevent Kola Holdings from taking over number 1 Oxford Street no. Eti kopim say courts, appeal courts be determine sa application no. And that's appeal court decision be bad there. Kola Holdings ain't taking over number 1 Oxford Street no. Na Kola Holdings the kind file 2 applications answer. A high court no dismiss here. And a fresh decision way aba. It is our fresh decision way there. Omo appeal. Omo appeal. Omo file appeal. Omo guso. Na odwin wo bia no ntia say Kola Holdings no. I say opese. Osi we tua bosia no e de ama IFC. Enti oje bosia no we tua de ama IFC no. Efi na kwa me bedi akon no mo. Asa so age e de efi Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited no. Onu Kola Holdings no a partner of. Enti I say oje kano from 2 bodies. Baako from Kensington Residential no. And a baako so from on na kwa bedi akon no. So what I say? Nana kwa bedi akon person what say? Mr. Azad Kola a part of Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited no. It is Oje Kana. It was Oje Kana free Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited no. If indeed we tua Kanama IFC4. Nana kwa bedi akon doubt it. Because I say Mr. Azad Kola evidence beyond by a tracer. Now, Mr. Azad Kola urges Sikare free Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited one. Or so aje. BF you no nana kwa mbedi akona ho. See, or say it is notable that Kola Holdings Limited is separately seeking to recover the same sum which it claims to have paid to IFC from Nana Kwambedi Ako personally in parallel proceedings. Kola Holdings Limited is therefore pursuing recovery of the same amount from Kensington Residential Partners 1 Limited and Mr. Bedi Ako individually. No more in this Court of Ghana able to me permit ama Kola Holdings aye ye sa omojidi se public in it say na Oxford number 1 Oxford Street omo beje if na kwa Bedi Ako say mama je fini same sam ye Kola Holdings so omunchi break asem no de kwa appeal kopem say court be determine there onji this Ghana court crab yes asem no appeal I Gossips 24. Accra.